Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we're going to show you how to connect your Huawei Band 4 with Huawei Health app in Android. As you can see, we have the app already installed and ready to be used in our phone. In case you wonder how you get this app, you can simply search it in Play Store with Huawei Health, or scan the QR code that is in the user manual. Either way, it will work perfectly. So let's go ahead and open the app now. As you can see in the first page here, we have today's activities, steps, minutes, kilometers and burned calories here. After that we have exercise record, heart rate, sleep, weight and stress. You can see here in the first page we have quite a few information about today's activities. Here in the bottom of the app we have 4 different pages: health, exercise, devices and me. I want to jump right to the devices. We can see the Honor 5i that we connected in previous video. If you haven't seen that, go ahead and watch that video. So now to connect the Band 4, we just have to go to the Add, Smart Band, and luckily the first one is what we are dealing with today's video. We have here Huawei Band 4. Press it, pair, and as you can see, the app found us 3 different bands from Huawei. We have Huawei Band 4, this one that we are searching. We have Huawei Band 5i and Mi Smart Band 4. Let's go ahead to the first one, and it says that it's paired. Press done. Okay, now let's see if the time is synchronized. We have everything that we need to see in the app and the watch. We have here the sign that says it's connected. We have the percentage of battery, and underneath that we have the steps that we did, burn calories and the distance. We have help, troubleshooting, Huawei True Sleep, activity reminder, continuous heart rate monitoring, alarm, do not disturb notifications, weather reports, Bluetooth disconnection reminder, function customization, raise wrist to awake screen, rotate to switch screen, auto download update package over Wi-Fi, firmware update and restore factory settings. In the end we have the Ampere button. As you can see, the Huawei wants you to take out your breath with all of these settings and options. Really, the Huawei is giving us really good options for us to use this app every day. You can see these options. You have the option to change them, to customize them for your own preference. Let's get back to the second page when we left before. As you can see, we have 3 exercises that use GPS and 2 other don't use. We have outdoor run, walk and cycle that use GPS, and we have indoor run and training that doesn't use GPS. We can see immediately when we go to cycle or walk, press go, the GPS will activate with Google Map, and you can see yourself where are you running, for how long, the burn calories and all these details you can see here in the app. Device is the part when we see, so let's jump to the Me. As you can see, the messages are right here. We have 1 message unreaded. Next we have profile, settings and about. If we go to profile, we have all the information about ourselves, and you have to fill out these carefully to have more accuracy in these options or result. Next we have settings. Here we have more options to customize for ourselves and more things to fill up or change if you need so. Here in about we can read about the customer service hotline and the version, all these things. So in this case we can see that it wasn't that hard to connect the Huawei Band 4 with Android in the Huawei Health. So if you have any question or suggestion about the Band 4, feel free to comment down below and we will try to reply to you. And if you think, comment down below what do you think about Band 4. Is it better than the Honor 4? Do you like it more? Which one you like it more? And comment down below, let's see your opinion. I will try to reply to you all and discuss about the Band 4. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next one.